Hello. Today we're going to be talking about group chat messages. And group chat messages are so effective when it comes to prospecting and sponsoring new people into the network marketing business. And for some of you who are new to this channel, if you don't know me yet, my name is Oliver Lepke, and I've been in network marketing for 15 years, and I help other people, new people, in my company, but also in other companies. I help them become more successful and more effective when it comes to network marketing business. So in this video, we're going to be talking about group chat calls, group chat messages, and I'm not talking about three-way calls that have been done a long time ago, which I was doing before as well. So back in the days, we would be using three-way calls. And three-way calls used to be basically how it works is there would be person A, B, and C. So person A is like applicant or prospect, right? And B is the bridge, person trying to sponsor person A, and then C would be person C would be coach. So we have A, B, and C. So C is the upline or mentor or coach, B is the bridge, and A is the applicant who wants to join the business. And how we used to do the business before, we would use the three-way call. And you would need, person B would need to arrange, when person B is available, arrange with the person A when person A is available, and then check with the person C, who is the coach or upline, and when person C is available, and then make a group call so that person C, the coach, helps this person B sponsor person A, answer the questions, and then sponsor that person into the business. So quite a lot of different things happening because you need to schedule, and then person A sometimes doesn't show up, not available, and then a lot of wasted time. However, with new technology now happening, we have group chats. And group chat messaging is very powerful and very effective way to help. So it helps both. So if you're doing the business and it helps you sponsor new people, but also if you are a leader, you can help your team members sponsor more people. So this is how it works. Pretty much the same way, but all you have to do is whenever the applicant or prospect has some questions, you address those questions, you answer question 1, you answer question 2, and then for the question 3, you would say, oh wow, this is a good question, but you know what? I have somebody who would better answer this question better than me. I'm not sure 100%, but this person is my mentor, my coach, and he can answer this question much better than I can. So this is good for two things. Number one, you're showing this person that you're transparent. You're showing this person that you don't know everything, so that you are kind of vulnerable in a way, because you're showing this new prospect that you don't need to know everything in order to start and do the business, right? And then you have somebody who's helping you, and that way they can get help as well. So it works, and it shows teamwork on another level, right? So you introduce and then you say, would it be okay if I ask my mentor or coach to answer this question? They would say, sure. And you just say, I'm going to put you in a group chat, so my mentor, my coach will help you answer this question better than I can. And you put put us in the group chat, and you send a message and you say, hi. Let's say you have a coach. Hello, Mr. Coach. I have a Michelle. Michelle is interested to learn more about this business, and she's asking this question. So your coach, your mentor would be, I prefer to leave a voice message, because with a voice message, you can put a little bit of excitement, you can put a little bit of energy, and I would say something along these lines. I would say, hey, Michelle, I'm so excited to hear that you're considering to join the business. This person B, he is just wonderful. He's very helpful. He's doing this business for a period of time. And the best part, he is really has a has a great heart to help other people like yourself. So you're going to be just in great hands with this person. And to answer this question, I would answer this question, I would address this question, and I would say, welcome, I hope you're considering this, and I can't wait to have you in our team so you can see how amazingly we work together and help each other. Look forward to work with you, look forward to see you at the next event, look forward to see you at the next webinar, and if you have more questions, just drop them here. I would be happy to answer those questions. You see how that works? Amazingly well in a three-way group chat messaging, right? And not everybody needs to be available at specific time. So person A can put another question, person B, which is the bridge, can also add on to these questions, and then the coach, person C, the coach or the mentor, can answer these questions whenever everybody's available. And it's easier to follow up. And now person A, which is the prospect, can hear not from one person, but another person, maybe another story, another enthusiasm, more information about the company, more information about this person, and connect, even send friend requests and connect and learn more. And the chances of this person A joining are much higher because there's more exposure with two people than only with one. So it works great that way. So group chat messaging could be a very powerful tool. Start using it. And even if you're not great at the beginning at that, just like with everything else, the more you use it, the better you will become. And you're going to start learning how to use it more properly, how to follow up, and then both person B and person B and person C, so the bridge and the coach can follow up with this person and ask, hey, Michelle, do you still have any questions? And things like that. And it is just effective way of communicating today. So to get this person on board. So we do this in our team and it works really well. It works effectively. We have amazing team, amazing trainings like this, and it just works great. So hopefully it helps you and your business. So feel free to share it with your team. Feel free to use it for yourself. Use it in your messenger, use it in your WhatsApp, use it in your group chat, and whichever platform you use, even text messaging, it works very well. So that's what I wanted to share today, and would love to hear from you. If you're using this group chat messaging, or if you find it now new and effective, I would like to hear from you. I would like to get some feedback on it as well. And I hope you consider to use it in your network marketing business, because it is a powerful tool. All the best, and see you another time in one of these sessions where I help other network marketing businesses like your people like yourself to grow your business. Thank you for stopping by, and bye-bye.